Hello and welcome to a brand new video of the Desi Gift Unboxing.
But before we move forward, do subscribe to our channel because that is what helps us grow.
And if you enjoy this video, do remember to like, share and comment on this video.
And click on the bell icon to know when the next video is happening.
You can also follow us on Instagram and Twitter. So we have a surprise for you today.
Is it?
Yeah, so today's video is a special gift box by Chocolate Philosophy.
Okay.
It's the chocolate gift hamper.
Wow, tell me more.
Yeah, so it's a gift hamper completely full of chocolates.
Okay. I'm so excited and looking forward to it.
Yeah, so without further ado, let's bring the box out.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, here goes.
Yeah, so this is the box from Chocolate Philosophy. As you can see, it's a huge box completely full of chocolates.
Okay.
This is their chocolate gift hamper. This price is around 1500 including GST,
Okay.
and they deliver it within 3 to 4 days. Pretty efficient. And as you can see, it's boxed very nicely and everything looks fine.
Yeah,
I think the only thing remaining is for us to open it.
absolutely.
Yeah, so let's open it. So you're ready to open the box?
Absolutely.
Let's see.
Okay. Wow.
So this is the actual hamper. And I can see a lot of chocolates inside.
Perfect.
So as they say, all good things starts with opening the ribbon. So why don't you go ahead and
My
open
pleasure.
the ribbon?
Okay, so it's a beautiful looking box and with this colorful ribbon, and I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. So this is the box and this is how the chocolates have been presented here, if you can see. So
Yeah, there
Let's
are
see.
multiple chocolates inside. Yeah, let's open it. So now that we have removed all kind of packaging that there was, we can finally check the chocolates out.
yes,
So as I can see, first there is this chocolate that is there, which is Chikamagaluru.
wow,
I think it's from Bangalore or Mangalore. It's Karnataka, and it's coffees of the south. So I think this is coffee powder. This is not actually chocolate, but this is coffee powder, but the flavor of chocolate.
okay,
So I think we're going to have some good coffee with
yeah,
it.
absolutely. Some hot chocolate,
Yes.
hot cocoa.
Yes. Okay. So moving on.
Okay. So the next that I find very, very interesting is this little can, and it says thin dark chocolates. Okay. So let's see what's inside.
Yeah. I think this will be the chocolate where we can taste it.
I hope so. Yes. So there are little chocolates like this that you can share with your friends and your family. So yeah, here you go.
Yeah. So it's square shaped.
Okay.
These are dark chocolates. They're excellent quality.
Not bitter. As I was expecting of dark chocolates, it's not that bitter. Actually, it is quite good.
They're excellent quality. I was actually not expecting it to be this good. It's
Yeah.
really, really nice.
But one thing, I think we need to keep this in the fridge because the chocolates are a bit soft due to
Yes,
the
yes.
delivery and
Yes, also this is the summertime. With chocolates, that is
Yeah.
very normal, but excellent taste, no?
very good taste. Yeah. Okay, so how about the next one?
Yeah. So the next one, this is wrapped in a box again.
Wow.
Lot of boxes
Yeah.
and wrappings
Surprises,
in this package.
surprises.
So,
Again, I can see square shaped chocolate.
yeah, it's square shaped inside another box. I think the best way to judge a chocolate is by tasting it.
Absolutely. there is some kind of nut in it. You know, it's crunchy and it tastes quite good.
Then excellent.
Very impressed with the quality.
Yeah. Lovely. Very nice taste. I think we are going to finish this box very soon.
Yeah.
Okay. So why don't you show us the next pack?
Okay, so the next one we have got this little thing. It says a mix of subtle floral and herbal aromas. So this is again 70% cocoa, and I think we can only say how it is by tasting it.
Absolutely. This is our lucky day, huh?
Yes, absolutely.
Hamper completely full of chocolates.
Okay, here you go. So this carries the actual flavor of dark chocolate, the bitterness that you get, and some people absolutely
True.
love. So you get that taste here.
Complete true dark chocolate, as dark as it can. I think the dark chocolate lovers would really enjoy it.
Quality product.
Yes, absolutely. And also, if you see, the packaging is really nicely
Yeah,
done.
cute.
Very nice packaging.
Yeah, it was very easy to open and it was very easy to
You know what this reminds me of? This is like the ticket of Charlie and Chocolate Factory. The ticket. It's
yeah,
shaped
because
like
of
that.
the shiny.
Yeah, it's shaped like that.
Yeah.
I like the packaging here.
Okay, your turn.
Yes, moving on. So the next item that we have, this is a milk chocolate. This is hot espresso milk chocolate. So again, rather than saying anything about it, let's go for the taste test.
Yeah, if I had known that we are going to do this today, I wouldn't have eaten before.
Huh. Yes, too many calories, right?
Wow.
Oh, this looks like the crackle one, dairy milk.
Yes.
Take a little bit.
Okay. It's quite different. I cannot. I think there is coffee in it,
Yes.
and yet it's a milk chocolate. It's not dark, it's sweet. And there are some
The coffee is very
crunchy-
heavy.
Yeah, the coffee is heavy and it's full of crunch.
I think the crunch may be coffee powders or coffee flavored inside the milk chocolate.
Yeah.
And
It's
it's like your crackle, the flavors of little, but it's coffee.
It's like eating coffee,
Yeah.
isn't
but-
it?
And it's weirdly really nice also.
Yeah.
It's a little weird, like when I put chocolate in my mouth, I'm not going for that taste. But it's a very amazing flavor also.
In fact, it took us a minute to identify what we are eating.
Yes.
Okay, so let me see the top ones. What it says. Okay, again it says hot espresso and beans layered in milk chocolate. So I think we are not that far off the mark.
Espresso is milk
Frankly,
coffee, right?
it tastes like you are actually munching coffee.
Yes.
It tastes like that.
Solid coffee.
Yeah,
Okay.
sweet one.
Yeah. So moving on, I can see there is one last product inside the package.
Yes, and it's my turn to see what we
Absolutely.
have got. So this is by far the most beautifully packaged product we have got, and here are several chocolates.
Yeah, what it looks like is several, I think, country flavors is there.
Yeah, several.
looks like.
And okay, so I can see Ariba, I can see Grenade, Ecuador. So chocolates of different places have been placed in
Yes.
here. Let's open it.
Yeah, absolutely.
So here we go.
Yes. I can't wait for this.
Wow.
Lot of chocolates, lot
Yeah.
of flavors.
So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10
Okay.
pieces of chocolates over here. So which one do you want to test? We have got Sao Tome, Ecuador, Ariba, Madagascar, Venezuela, and Ghana,
Ghana.
Saint Dominic, Grenada, Tanzania, and one is Java. Java, I think, is the coffee flavor.
Yes.
Yeah.
So let's
So-
each taste one of them. So which flavor would you like?
Okay, I'm confused. So I'll go with the one nearest to me. That is Sao Tome.
Okay. And I'm going for Madagascar
Okay.
only because it's my favorite movie.
So this one was pure dark chocolate. Even though I'm not a fan of bitter chocolate, but I think dark chocolate lovers would love it. What about you?
Yeah, mine was a dark one also. Like based on the cover, you can understand this is a dark chocolate. Again, very good quality. Very hard. Cocoa percentage is a lot. Good taste. I think the other one was better
Yeah.
than this, but a different taste. And like this box offers you 10 different tastes of chocolate, so you can't complain there.
No complaints. If you want to know how the other flavors taste, you need to buy the box.
Yes, and you won't be disappointed. So many chocolates, like
Yeah.
it's worth it. It's worth it. So many chocolates in front of us. We have tasted also a lot of them. So I think time has come to actually review this as a hamper, a complete chocolate hamper. So what do you have to say?
Okay, so this is an assortment of chocolates, and even though it's perfect for, or it's good for all chocolate lovers, but it would be best for people who like dark chocolate or coffee flavored chocolates, because coffee is the main ingredient that is present in all of this. And overall it's not too bad, though I favor milk chocolates. I would take it any day since it's chocolates.
Yes, and apart from that, what I have to say is, so this complete chocolate is produced from the southern part of India. It's completely India made. So Chikmagalur in Karnataka is where this coffee is produced, cocoa is produced, sorry, and from which these chocolates are actually curated. So this is a complete India-based product, Indian chocolate. So the upside is that. For 1500 rupees we get a lot of chocolates, again a variety of chocolates including coffee, milk chocolate, dark chocolate of different kinds. So for me this is like a lovely gift. It comes well packaged. Like to gift somebody who you love a box full of chocolate, you are not going wrong. This is the perfect gift for that.
Absolutely. And one thing I would like to add, these are all quality chocolates. These are not the chocolates that you would easily get in the
Absolutely.
market.
Absolutely.
Okay, the tastes are different for each of these chocolates, and all of them are quality products.
Yes, you do get local chocolates which are not that good of taste, but we do get it, right? These are not that.
Yeah.
These are Indian chocolates, but quality chocolates. I think the only thing remaining now is to give a ratings out of 5.
Absolutely.
So as a gift hamper, what would you rate it?
Okay, I'll give it a 4 out of a 5.
Okay.
Because there are several reasons for it. I loved the packaging. I loved how it came as a hamper. There are so many flavors, there are so many chocolates, all well and good. But as I said earlier, I am a fan of milk chocolate. So the darkness, the bitterness is, that's where I'll cut that 1 mark. Otherwise, it's good.
Okay. From me personally, it's a 4.5 out of 5. Again, Indian chocolates, excellent quality chocolates. So I think first of all, excellent quality Indian chocolates is very rare to find. That's a great. As a hamper, as I said, it's a hamper full of chocolates. So if you're gifting it to any loved one, Obviously chocolate everybody loves, so they would love it. So it's a perfect gift for that. I will take that 0.5 stars only because of the price. So 1500 for this, I think it's a tad bit expensive, but they do provide very fast delivery. I think this box at 1200 is a 5 out of 5.
Yeah.
With that, we have come to this end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video, watching it as much as we have enjoyed making this video.
Yes.
This was like having chocolates, so many chocolates, different, like this has been one of my favorite videos.
Yeah, it's like your dream video.
Absolutely. So with that said, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Because that's what helps us grow.
And if you have enjoyed this video, do let us know by liking this video or commenting on this video.
And also click on the bell icon to remain notified.
And follow us on Twitter and Instagram.
Thank you for watching our video. Keep supporting us and take care.
Bye bye.